How to turn Cash App money into cash. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn Cash App money into cash. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. On the home screen, tap on the Balance tab option in the lower left corner. This will display your current Cash App balance. Look for the Cash Out option now below your balance and tap on it to proceed further. Cash App might display some preset cash out amounts. You can choose one of these or tap on the three dots icon to enter a custom amount you want to withdraw. Now select your transfer speed, that is, you can choose between standard, which is free and takes up to 1 to 3 business days, or you can choose the instant option, which requires a small fee and is deposited within minutes. Finally, confirm your cash out. Once you have selected the amount and transfer speed, confirm the transaction by using your PIN or Touch ID if enabled, and your Cash App money will be turned into cash. So, this is how you can turn Cash App money into cash. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.